Hello guys, ever wondered what exactly you are trading when you dive into the exciting world of Forex? Well, buckle up because today we are breaking it down. Stay tuned to uncover the secret of Forex market. As always, I have put all the videos into a single playlist and I have given the playlist here on the I button above. Make sure you watch all the videos before watching this. Today's agenda is to learn about what is traded in Forex, what are the major currency, and how the currency is needed. So let's get started. Welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading brought to you by the Black Capital by AkMAD. Let's dive into our first part. What is traded in Forex? Well, I got the answer for you. It's not stocks, commodity, or cards. It's something we all use every day, and the answer is money, specifically currencies. But hold on, it's not as simple as it sounds. Let's dive into what makes Forex trading tick. So imagine this. When you buy a currency, it's like buying a share in a country. Picture it as grabbing a piece of the economic pie of that nation. If you have ever invested in stocks, it's a similar concept. Only instead of a company, you are investing in an entire country's economic well-being. For instance, buying a Japanese yen means you are getting a share of the Japanese economy. You are betting that Japan is on the rise and will continue to prosper. And when you sell these shares back to the market, voila, hopefully you are cashing on a profit. As a forex trader, you are essentially a global economist, reading the signs of the market to predict how economies will fare. The exchange rate of a currency against others reflect the health of a country's economy relative to the rest of the world. It's like a financial mirror showing us where each currency stands economically. Now coming to the second part, let's talk about the big players, the major currencies. The term major currencies refers to those that are most heavily traded and often represent robust economies. The major currencies are US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, and Swiss franc. We can talk about the major currencies and their impact. The US dollar. It is the world's primary reserve currency. USD plays a central role in global trade and financial markets. The euro, EUR, representing the eurozone. Euro is the second most traded currency, and euro plays a key role in international finances. The other one is Japanese yen. It is known for its stability. The JPY is significant in global finance, and Japan economy indicators can impact markets. The GBP or British pound is the oldest currency still in use. GBP reflects the economic strength of the United Kingdom. And the last one being the Swiss franc or CHF is renowned for its stability. The CHF is considered a safe haven currency in the times of market uncertainty. Now coming to the last part of the video, how the currency is named. Now in the world of Forex, currency symbol adhere to a three-letter word famously known as the ISO 4217 currency code. Now let's start with an example. NZD. Remember, the first two letters in the currency symbol signifies the country, while the third letter points to the currency's name. In the case of NZD, the NZ stands for the New Zealand and the D stands for dollar. Let's take another example. US dollar. US stands for the United States and the third letter D stands for dollar. Euro. The first two letters EU means the Eurozone and the third letter R stands for Euro. There you have it, traders. You are no longer in dark about what is traded in Forex, what are the major currencies, and how the currency is named. As always, if you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. And if you have any question, put them down in the comment section and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is AkMAD signing off.